Birds characterized their excellent flying ability. Our world has 10,000 different species of birds with feather wings. The wings are made of feathers that are stiff yet flexible. This allows them to fly great heights and maneuver rapidly and defy gravity. Images of birds of light soaring to the sky signifies freedom and hope. But flying is not the only skills they know. So join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all start the show by welcoming our flag-raising bird, Bandit. Bandit is a green-winged macaw. As you can see, their body is covered in mostly red plumage. Their wing and their feather are blue and green. This macaw has a white naked face, striped with small red feathers. And they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaw. They can live up to 50 to 75 years old, and their scientific name is Arachnaraptor. There you go. Our show was officially started. A round of applause for our flag-raising bird, Bandit. We end.
Hello everyone! Good morning! Magbunta ka ninyong tanan. Welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. I am Adrian, your host for today. Now our next featured birds are just like any married couples. Monogamous, meaning they are partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, isn't it? Now as any couples will attest in a relationship, there will always be battles. Now let's meet Blue and Goldie, our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw. And today they will battle it out in who's the best in a basketball game. But before we continue, I'll be dividing you into two groups. Now for the girls, let me hear you cheer for Goldie. Come on girls, say Goldie, Goldie. Goldie, Goldie. Alright, good. Now for the boys, let me hear you cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say Go Blue, Go Blue.
Go Blue.
Alright, so trainers, birds, ready, set, go! Alright, come on birds? Alright, 1 point for both birds, 2 points from Blue, 2 points from Goldie, and the winner is Blue! That's alright, Goldie, better luck next time. 1 point for the boys. So, Urban, you guys lose this game, what can you say?
Hey, I want another race.
Another race, Alfie?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Goldie to lose again?
Ooh,
Well, this time I guarantee you that Goldie will win.
confident.
So, what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race?
I'm thinking of a ring race.
What is a ring race?
Ring race.
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the hole the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
Okay, a ring race it shall be. And remember, boys have already 1 point, so the sheer ladder for Goldie to win this time. And it'll be a ring race. So, trainers, birds, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, ready, set, go!
Alright, let's go.
Alright, here comes Blue in his first ring. Hey, Goldie, what's this? Here it is, Goldie wins this round! That was a great technique, Goldie! Wow, what was that? Hey, Alfie, 3 rings at the same time from Goldie. What can you say about that?
What was that, Irvin? You guys cheated!
Ah, did you guys cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Goldie used her brain.
So is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys? Alright, give it up for Blue and Goldie. Parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now here comes Bandit once again, and he'll show us how intelligent he is by putting the shapes